in the closet doing that. I had the thought, but it says to add 3 1/8 inches, so 3.125. And I was looking at it now. I'm using that it's to this yellow tip there. So when you're in the closet, like here, this will be fun. I'll measure the width of my phone. You just go like that, and whatever your tape says right there, you add the 3 1/8 inches. What you'll see after this is it's the original video from yesterday, and then it's the time lapse of the whole closet tear out, and I put the pole back up, and it's looking pretty good right now. That is my tape measure hack. Right here, it tells you what to add. Like it's the one thing to do that, put it up, I can do that. But if you just go like this, like that, it's showing it. Be to the yellow. Right there. 40 3/8 plus 3 1/8. So 43 1/2. 40 3/8 plus 3 1/8. 43 1/2. Just always did the and check it out, right? Well, now we know. They ain't paying me to use them, but chameleon tape measures are my shit. What is this one? Yeah, this is so just like it also says metric here. I've lived in a world of both quite a bit. So I like this one because it's metric one side, standard the other side. A little bit better than using a banana.